Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Coster's Corner. I hope everyone is fine and doing well. Today we are going to make continental breakfast. So just toast 4 breads and make half fry for you. And take 1 tomato, add a little bit of salt and pepper and just roast it with a little bit of butter on it. The taste of butter, salt, pepper melts really good in your mouth, and you can take any favorite fruit. I just took strawberry and beetroot, and I roasted some of the mushrooms. So you can make continental breakfast, according to your choice, whatever you just love it. You can add apples, bananas, anything. So yes, let's enjoy a little bit of different breakfast, and I hope you like this video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and keep watching Coster's Corner. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please go and subscribe my channel. These kind of breakfasts are my favorite, and it's really healthy. You can add some cheese, olives, whatever you love it, go for it, and do try different breakfasts. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.